Hello guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to force restart frozen Android phone. Alright, so assuming your phone has frozen and you want to force restart, you press both the power and the volume button at once. Okay, so once you press the power and the volume button at once, it will then give you options of force restarting itself, or in some cases some Android devices may restart themselves automatically. In other words, you can use this option also. You can press on the power button and then hold. So once you press on the power button and hold, of course you see over here two options. One is restart, one is power off. So you don't tap on power off, because when you power off you're just switching off the phone. So you tap on restart. Okay, so when you tap on restart, it will automatically restart itself and it will force restart itself. And if it had frozen, then the problem will be solved immediately. So that's how simple it is, guys. Thanks for watching. We shall meet once again.